my dear children, welcome to my class. Today we will discuss the future tense. There are four forms of future tense: simple future, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. Let's take an example of a verb clean. It will have four forms: I will clean, I will be cleaning, I will have cleaned, and I will have been cleaning. Another verb could be take. I will take, I will be taking, I will have taken, and I will have been taking. Run. I will run, I will be running, I will have run, I will have been running. So these are the sentences which we used in future form. Now children, let's take simple present. I will take, I will run, I will create, I will read. All these are the sentences which are in the simple future forms. Let us understand the scenarios in which we use simple future tense. The first scenario is when we talk about things on which we have no control over. I will turn 10 next week. It will be 24th on Sunday. We will come to know the results tomorrow. It will rain. These are the sentences in simple present tense, and the scenario is that we have no control on these things. If it is going to rain, we have no control over it. Second scenario in which we use simple future tenses, the things which we think or believe would happen. I think India will win. I think corona outbreak will be over by September. I think we will begin our economic upturn soon. All these actions, all these events are going to happen in future, and we believe they would happen. The last scenario is, of course, the most commonly used scenario when we decide to do something. I will clean, I will take, I will read, I will write, or it's raining, I will take an umbrella. These are the cases in which we use simple present tense, simple future tense. Now let's talk about future continuous tense. Future continuous tense, we talk about those activities which will be going on at some point of time in the future. I will be writing, I will be doing, tomorrow I will be coming to your home, I will be taking his notes. These are the examples of future continuous tense. The syntax or the formula for future continuous tense is will plus be plus the ing form of verb. In case of future continuous tense, we have this extra element in the syntax, that is be. We say I will be coming, I will be teaching, it will be raining, I will be running, I will be cleaning my home, or I will be washing the utensils. These are the examples of future continuous tense. We talk about those activities which we are planning to do in the near future, or which will happen in the near future. It will be raining. She will be coming to my house. They will be playing football or soccer match on Saturday. They will be having a badminton practice tomorrow. They will be dancing in the party. All these are the examples of future continuous tense. Now let's talk about future perfect tense. We use future perfect tense to denote those actions which will start in future and which will be finished by some point of time in future. I will have completed my 10th standard by 2021. You will have completed 8 years of age by 2022. She will have done her BA by 2020. All these are the examples of future perfect tense. We use future perfect tense to denote those activities which would be complete by some time in the future. I will have completed, I will have done, I will have written, I will have gone. All these are the examples of future perfect tense. What is the syntax that we use in future perfect tense? It is will plus have plus the third form of verb. I will have done, I will have read, I will have written, I will have gone, I will have flown. All these are the examples of future perfect tense. I repeat, we use future perfect tense in those scenarios in which the particular task will be over by some point of time in future. She will have completed 1 year of her work by March. It will be we will have completed our exams by Monday. So now let's talk about the future perfect continuous tense. What is future perfect continuous tense? Future perfect continuous tense is used to denote those actions which would start sometimes in the future and they would be continued at the time of speaking. I will have been writing. I will have been doing. I will have been going. I will have been running. All these are the examples of future perfect continuous tense. So let us revise it once again. There are four forms of future tense: simple future, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. In simple future, we use the subject plus will plus the first form of verb. I will take, I will read, I will go, I will sit, I will run. These are the examples of simple future tense. Future continuous tense, it will be I will be taking, I will be running, I will be teaching, I will be showing, I will be writing. The syntax is will plus be plus ing form of verb. We have future perfect tense. The syntax is will plus have plus third form of verb. I will have gone, I will have written, I will have done, I will have cleaned, I will have taken. All these are the examples of future perfect tense. The last is future perfect continuous tense. We use future perfect continuous tense in the syntax of will plus have plus been plus fourth form of verb, that is the ing form of verb. I will have been drawing, I will have been looking, I will have been watching, I will have been seeing. All these are the examples of future perfect continuous tense. Thank you for listening.